Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. If you're new, I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. And today's video is my gel nails at home. It's really easy. You can do this either if you have long nails or short nails. I particularly have short nails at the moment because I do play guitar at my church. So I was contemplating whether or not I should even put this up. But I know you guys will enjoy it either way, so let's get started with what we need. So to start, we need an LED or UV lamp. This is from SUNUV. It's a store on Amazon, and I have a $3 discount code for you guys in the description. So check out the description if you need an LED light. Then you need some square aluminum foil and a nail file. Again, if you're doing any gel removal for this part, some cotton balls. And to do the polish, you'll need a base coat, top coat, and a color coat of gel polish, as well as 100% acetone. So let's get started with the gel removal. So to start off my gel removal process, I take a square aluminum foil and a cotton ball. I am pulling the cotton ball apart to make it a little thinner. I'm dousing that in 100% alcohol, and then I'm placing that on top of my manicured nail. This is after about 2 weeks. This is the manicure. You guys have all seen pictures of these nails on my Instagram. If you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me here. But you then just wrap your nail with the cotton ball inside to make sure that you are loosening up all of the gel polish that you had on before, and you just kind of create wraps. I like watching YouTube videos. I'm watching the Persian Babe here while I do my nails. So I then pull off the wraps to check to see if they are ready to be filed away. I take the nail file to try to rub off the manicure, but my thumb and my index finger were not budging, so I did wrap them again for another 5 more minutes, and in total I wrapped them for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I am just filing away at my nails, the ones that are done, and then to finish off, I take all the wraps off. I throw away my wraps off of my workstation, clean up my workstation a little bit, and then I go in and file my nails. I buff the nail plate as well. I didn't even realize I was out of focus and really wasn't in the frame at all for this shot, but you guys know what to do. Just buff it off, buff the nail plate, and then file your nails to your desired shape. And then I'm going in and we're doing the gel application. So for this part, you'll need a gel base polish. And I got these two off of Amazon. They were like $7.99 or something like that. Super cheap. And they work really well, actually. So I'll leave a link to those down below as well. But you just want to polish your nail plate, the first coat with the gel polish. And before this, I did just rinse my hands with some warm water and then just wiped it with a towel. Maybe to prep your nails better, you should use some alcohol or something to just dry the nail bed. That would have been a little bit better, but I didn't have any alcohol with me, but I would have done that if I were to do this step again. And then you just want to cure it in the light for 90 seconds. Pull your hand out and then go in with your gel polish color. This is Pink Pong by Sally Hansen, the gel color. And that's the first coat of nail polish. Here I'm just showing you my application. I start off with the middle, then go to the sides, and then now I'm curing it again for 90 seconds. The LED light actually just does it on its own. I don't need to set a timer or anything. That's what I love about this light. It's really nice because it fits my whole hand and it always gets my thumb. My thumb is the place that removes gel the fastest. So just make sure you cure your thumb for extra long. That's after the second coat, and now we're going to put it back into the light, let it bake or cure for another 90 seconds. And then we're going to go in with a third coat. This polish was particularly sheer, so I wanted to go in with 3 coats, but you can go in with just 2 if your polish is more opaque. Or white based if the color is more pastel or something. And then that is after the third coat, and then I just cure that in the light again for another 90 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with my top coat. I love this top coat because you don't have to wipe it off afterwards. After you cure it, you don't have to wipe it with any alcohol pads or anything like that. You can just complete it and it's done like that. It stays shiny, it's nice, and it's really convenient if you're on the go kind of. I would set aside around 30 minutes to an hour to do this process if you want to do a proper gel manicure. It's just because you don't want to like rush the process and you want to cure them fully. But here's the finished nails. I hope you guys liked the way they looked. This was super duper easy, and if you have any questions for me, leave them down below. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!